Have you ever considered working unclaimed funds for the state of Nevada? Let me tell you something. It's an absolute gold mine. And I'm not talking about Las Vegas. I'm talking about the excess proceeds that the state of Nevada is sitting on and what you could potentially be missing out on if you don't jump on it right now. My name is Joe Green. I help people start and launch their unclaimed funds business with little to no money out of pocket, and I help families get the money that's owed to them that the government is withholding. Now, in this video right here, we're going to jump right into the money that the state of Nevada is holding and how you can help families get the money that's owed to them. Let's jump right into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to assume that you've already got your business started. You filed with your state, the IRS, you got your business license, and now you're ready to start making some money with this industry. And I get super excited about some of these hidden treasures because a few videos back, I made one about Hawaii and how everybody's missing out. And my inbox was flooded with people telling me, thank you. And I'm working Hawaii now, I'm making tons of money. Now I want to help you guys make money with the state of Nevada. Now, here's my disclaimer. Look, I can make no promises. I don't know you. If you're not in my academy, I'm not personally working with you as your coach, I can't promise that you're going to be successful with these claims. But what I can say is the money out there is real. And the money out there can be claimed if you do this process right. And I want to show you exactly where to find the money so you can start making funds right now. So do a simple Google search, or you can do it in Bing. It doesn't really matter. But normally what I type in is either tax overages or excess proceeds is normally the correct term, especially when we're talking about tax foreclosures. But we want to just type in those keywords that might be recognized online by these clerk offices. And then for Nevada, all I did was I typed in excess proceeds for Clark County. Now, if you don't know the different counties in certain states because you don't live there, you can do a simple search and just say, give me a list of counties in Nevada, or give me a list of counties in Texas or Florida, right? It'll give you a long list, and you can just do counties, like one county at a time. Here's my recommendation to you. If you're brand new to this industry, you're going to find out that each county has its own set of rules, but normally they have general principles that they have to follow that is dictated by the state. However, every office might have some rules that you have to follow in the filing instructions. So just make sure you don't come at this like a one-size-fits-all type of business, okay? The reason why I like Clark County in the state of Nevada is because their office they have great customer service. They will help and walk you through it, and they're not too anti-investigator. You'll get some states and some counties that really don't like us calling as third parties. They don't try to work with us and they try to get you off the phone. But I found that Clark County, the representatives out there are very professional, they're very helpful, and I think that they got the best interest of people in mind because they do understand that people have a very short window. They have 365 days in most cases to claim these funds. Now, you'll get some states like Florida where it'll go from the county office, and after like 3 months or so, they'll forward it to the state, and then the people will have like up to 9 months to make their claim. But you got to make sure you understand the rules and how it works. And I always tell people, pick up the phone and call those offices. Don't rely on a YouTube video that you watch. Don't rely on something you read online. Pick up the phone, call the office. They'll give you the best, most up-to-date information on how to chase these claims down and how you can help your clients. Because it's really important that you know what's going on so you can educate the people you're trying to help. Now, once you go here, you're going to click on where it says excess proceeds, okay? And it's going to take you to something like this right here. Now, this page right here, you can see where it says the excess proceed claim instructions. That is one of the first pages I'm going to click on, okay? Because I want to know what it takes to work. I want to know if this is going to be difficult. I want to know if there's a long, lengthy process. Is it worth my time to hunt these people down? Because I might find I'm biting off way more than I can chew. They might want attorneys. They might want all kinds of different paperwork that I might be like, I'm not built for that yet. My business is not prepared for something like this. So I'll keep it moving and move on. So that's my number one advice to you guys right there. And then they got the application one, okay? So you want to download the application process. I'm not going to go through it in this video right here because I know you guys want to just get to the meat of where's the money, how to get this going. Well, as you guys can see right here, Now they've really changed up the website and for the better. I greatly appreciate what they're doing because before it was hard to navigate. You can find these claims, but now they're actually adding like the owner's name, the parcel number, how much money is out there. It says the deed recording date, and it'll even say up here, it'll say if a person entitled to receive the reconveyance of property pursuant, you got the law right here, makes a claim in writing for the excess proceed within 1 year of the deed recorded. And that's where the deed recording date right here, that's where it starts to make sense when we start to understand like what's going on. So when you get in contact with your client, you can just explain these things to them. Don't try to hide information from your client because either A, they're going to find out, but really B, they just want to know what's happening. They want to make sure you're not a scam. How did you get my information? How do you know about this, this money? So you got to be able to break it down to them so that they understand what's going on. Most people are going to want your help because they're like, okay, it seems like you did your homework. Seems like you got it together. Help me. Other people might not want your help, and that's okay. They're entitled to go get their own money. And don't feel bad. Don't take it personal. Let them get their money because really you should be out there to help people first before you go chasing dollars. So you can see this individual right here. This looks like it's actually multiple people. And this is what I would say. If there's multiple owners, I stay away from it personally. I stay away from it because I got to get everyone's signature, power of attorney for everybody to make this claim so I can get paid. You know what? Way too much work. I'd rather work with one, maybe two people. Might be a husband and wife duo, might be two business partners. But when it gets to 4, 5, 6, and more people, I'm like, wow, that's just, even if it's like a massive, like $1 million claim, I normally just stay away from it because I don't want to get into the whole legalities and again, dealing with legal and law because when it comes to money, people act funny. All right. So going over here, you guys can see which claim makes the most sense for you. This one right here is $120,000. But look, they got 5 pages of people that have claims out there. They got this one here, $273,000. Okay. And now they got a few people here, but the one right above it, just Jacob. Whoever Jacob is right here. Now pay attention to the parcel number here to the left hand side. This is how you're going to find out more details about Jacob's claim. And it's really important that you look it up to see if there's any liens on the property that was foreclosed, where the money came from. And this is something that's really cool about the state of Nevada. So I want you to pay attention, like it says parcel number right here. All right. So I already went ahead and I copied Jacob's parcel number right there. We're just going to copy it. And then remember that word parcel number. We're just going to go to the search bar right here. And we're going to type in the word parcel, right? So you're just typing in parcel. You could type in parcel number, whatever you want to do. But it's going to pop up. And then it says property search, right? So if I click on the word property search, this page right here is going to pop up. And all I'm going to do is go to real property records, but you can click on any of them. You just want to click around until you figure it out because every county site is different. You're not going to find a streamline like the state websites. Everything's a little bit different. Okay, so you're going to be doing a little bit of clicking around, and right here it says parcel number. So that's where the link that you're going to click it in, and then that's where you're going to submit the parcel number, the number that I just copied for the individual. I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to paste it right here, and I'm going to hit submit. I'm just going to go ahead and stop there for the purposes of this video, but that's how simple it is. And once you get the parcel number, I would download the information. I would study it, read it, see all the important facts that you need to know. The property it was foreclosed on. Does it list any liens or anyone that's owed money on a property? Sometimes they'll have that listed. Sometimes they won't, but it's always good maybe to follow up the county and just get a little bit of information, but just do your research. And then you're going to do what's called skip tracing. I made lots of videos about skip tracing. You guys can click on the link below, and I have trainings. I have free trainings that kind of show you guys how to do this process. But that's all you guys want to do. Just do your skip tracing, find an individual, make the phone calls, create the deal, and then you got to start working the filing instructions as I showed you in this video earlier. Now, if you want to learn more about the Nevada process and how much money you can claim, the percentages, I put that in the description of this video where I give a breakdown of what Nevada requires and some need to know facts about doing business with the state of Nevada. But once you get this process started, you're going to find that there is a lot of money in Clark County. And even though people think that the industry is oversaturated, trust me when I say this,
Most people don't do it right. Most people don't know what they're doing. And if you got your ducks in a row and you come off professional and you come off and you let these people know that you got their best interest in mind, they will choose you over some Joe Schmo who's just cold calling everybody, hoping and praying that someone's going to answer the phone. Trust me, people do not like to answer the phone these days. But in my training, I talk about how to get people to answer the phone on cold calls. So please, I got a lot of free training. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can check it out. But I hope this video helped you guys out and learn a little bit more about the state of Nevada and why I think it's a jackpot. See you guys in the next video. Hey guys, I just want to say a big thank you for following my channel.
If you have not done so already, please punch that subscribe button right there, like the videos, and drop me a comment. If you guys want to learn about any counties or states that I have not covered, or anyone else for that matter, let me know so I can make this content for you. I'm always willing to share information that I find so you don't got to spend endless hours trying to figure it out yourself. Thanks again for liking and subscribing to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Peace.